Hello everybody, it's KeToMi Poppy back for another episode of KeToMi Recipes. And oh my goodness guys, we have another wing episode as you've already seen in the thumbnail and the title below. Guys, this is going to be one of the best honey mustard wings that you guys are going to enjoy. This is an all keto honey mustard wings recipe, and I can't wait to share with you guys how we're going to get this done. So this is going to be very simple, very easy. It's not going to take long at all. And I just want to give you guys a brief warning. If you serve this to any of your loved ones or family, they will not stop bugging you about it. Okay? So if this is your first time on KeToMi Recipes, my name is KeToMi Poppy. I make delicious keto recipes and I try to make them very easy, simple to make where it doesn't take a lot of your time. So without further ado, if you like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you will never miss a video that is released. All right, so let's go ahead and start with what we have here. We have some chicken wings that have been marinating for 24 hours. This just consists of some buttermilk, 2 eggs, and some adobo seasoning. This is just very quick and simple marinade. That's all you're gonna need. The sauce is gonna have a lot of flavor. We're gonna also be using the same breading mix that we used for our honey mustard recipe. It's probably gonna be up here somewhere. That honey mustard, I'm sorry, that, what was it? The honey garlic, sorry about that. It's the honey garlic wings. We're using almond flour, some Parmesan cheese, and coconut flour. That's gonna be our breading base here. We're not using pork rinds again. I really like the result that we had last time around, so that's what it's going to be. But if you guys want, some extra crispiness, go ahead and add your pork rinds to it. Make sure they're grinded pork rinds. We're going to be seasoning our batter mix with some garlic powder, onion powder. This right here is some chicken bouillon. This is very easy to find. And we also have some white pepper powder and ground mustard powder. So let's go ahead and get that back in a bowl, and I'll see you guys in just a sec. Okay, so for our breading mix, what we have here is about a half cup of almond flour, a half cup of coconut flour, and a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese that's grated, and then a tablespoon of each of the seasons that were listed earlier. That's going to be our breading mix. So we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up together, and we're going to go ahead and get to bread. Okay, so we have an overhead shot here, and what you want to do is make sure that you get a whisk and you kind of just whisk this batter to get all the clumps out. Sometimes you have some seasoning clumps that get lost in the batch, and if some of those seasoning clumps get onto your chicken, you're going to be biting into a huge burst of flavor. That could be good or bad depending on who you are. So you just kind of want to mix it nice and thoroughly. So here we are. We're gonna go ahead and get these little puppies nice and breaded. Since we do have egg inside this marinade, I'm not gonna be adding any extra egg. So we just grab it right here, shake off any excess, and we're just gonna go ahead and place some wings in here, and we're gonna get these breaded and onto our wire rack. And we're gonna get this in the meantime, while you're breading, go ahead and preheat your oven. I'm sorry, I'm using a deep fryer. That's going to be using some beef tallow for my frying oil today. You guys can use beef tallow, lard, coconut oil, avocado oil. Those are really great oils for frying. Highly recommend those. And you can get a nice, fast, crispy chicken or any frying experience at no cost to your health there. So I'm going to get these breaded, and I'm going to see you guys in just a few. Okay, here we are. So I have my chicken wings nice and breaded. This was a single breaded that we are going to be doing today. I have my deep fryer preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to be cooking these wings for 10 to 15 minutes on each batch. Each batch for me is about 3 wings each. So it might take me a little bit longer to finish this product here, but you know, a little bit goes a long way. You want to just take your time and make sure that these are fully cooked and crispy. So we're going to go ahead and get these nice and fried. I did forget to mention, if you're one of the people that don't want to fry their wings and you just like an oven bake, this is also possible. Just go ahead and preheat your oven to 375. Try to get your wings in the middle of the rack, not directly at the bottom of the heat. Just get it kind of like in the middle. And you want to cook your wings for a good 40 minutes. Cook them for 20 minutes on each side. Make sure you flip. And you want to go ahead and spray some olive oil spray over your chicken wings. That way you can get a nice crisp in the cooking process if you choose to do the oven. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our delicious keto honey mustard sauce. This is going to be a very simple sauce here. I'm going to be using 2.5 tablespoons of regular mayonnaise. All right. I'm also going to be using a tablespoon and a half of, this is the Health Garden Erythritol honey. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find that. And you just want to go ahead and get a tablespoon and a half. This is where you're going to get the nice honey flavor from. All right. This right here is like gold. And, you know, a lot of people know about Kinders. I first discovered Kinders not too long ago, and they have some really good seasonings. So I'm going to be using just about a teaspoon of Kinders. Some really good stuff here. That should be good right there. I'm going to be using both Dijon mustard and yellow mustard, tablespoon each. We are really going to. My tongue got twisted there, tied right there. Make sure to, you know, shake it well as well. We're really going to be locking in that mustard flavor in this recipe here. This is going to be the best honey mustard, keto honey mustard chicken wings you ever have. I'm also going to be adding some ground mustard here. So you can see the emphasis on mustard. But that should be about 1/3 of a teaspoon. Don't want to overwhelm the recipe with mustard. We're going to do a dash of apple cider vinegar. Just a dash. That's all you need right there. Just for that acidity. Because we're going to be getting some more acidity from some your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Frank's Red Hot. Just to give a little bit of spice there. All right. Once all those ingredients are together, you're going to go ahead and give it a whisk and taste for additional seasoning. And there you go. That's your honey mustard sauce right here. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering, y'all. This works as a very good dip as well. All right, and I'll be back with the finished product. And here we are, guys, with the finished product. I have basted and dipped these wings in the honey mustard sauce. If you guys are kind of impatient and you don't want to, you know, dip, like kind of get it on the sauce already, you can use this as a dip. This is better than any store-bought honey mustard sauce that you can find on the market. I guarantee it. If you guys just give it a try, let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this keto honey mustard sauce that we prepared today, that we put on these keto fried chicken wings here. I went ahead and garnished these with some black sesame seeds, and some scallions, as you can see. So guys, that's it here. If you guys love this video, go ahead and give it a like. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. I really appreciate it, all the support that you guys have been giving me on my recipes. And I really hope that you guys tune in until the next video. I would love to see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful day. Until next time, KeToMi Poppy signing off. Bye-bye.